Hey, Chef K, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a copycat meatball sub. Gonna use some frozen meatballs. Gonna use store-bought sub rolls. Good and firm. They'll work really well. They'll hold up to the marinara. Just a jar of marinara from the store. A block of mozzarella cheese. A little Parmesan on the top. And tea. Let's get started. This is going to be pretty cheap meal. It's not going to be expensive at all, and it's going to be really good. We're going to grate this mozzarella. I don't like to buy the bags because it's got the cellulose on it. It's got the powder on it that keeps it from getting packed together, keeps it from sticking together. It also keeps it from melting evenly. So we're going to grate up half of that block of cheese. We're going to do this whole meal for about $3 a sub. I like these sub buns because they're not cut, so I can cut them even. Sometimes you buy them, they're pre-cut. The bottom of the top is too thin. These will hold up to the marinara, and you'll see what I'm going to do here to make them hold up even more. Got the frozen meatballs out. We're putting those in the oven. We got our cheese grated. I've got my sub buns out. I've got them cut open. I'm going to layer the mozzarella cheese on them. That's going to melt and act like a barrier, keep that marinara from soaking into our bread. I'm going to heat up the marinara. We're going to put the meatballs in there, get them good and sauced up. They're going to be good and flavorful. Meatballs have cooked, heated through, got a little brown on them. We're going to add them into the marinara, turn it up on medium heat. Get them nice and hot. Get some really good marinara flavor on those meatballs. Putting the bread with the cheese in. It's come out of the broiler. Cheese is melted real nice. Got a little toast on the edges. I like mayonnaise on my meatball sub. Just like that little green and yellow Underground Railroad place. No way. Yeah. I'm going to load those meatballs on there. A little marinara, some meatball, a little extra mozz that I had hanging out there, and I'm going to put the Parmesan on top. And there you go. That is a copycat meatball sub, just like they make at the little place, only better and a lot cheaper. Thanks for watching.